Hello, I am Mechanic Nut from Nut Racing Channel, the regular mechanic at Red Racing. As for the ending note, some people might be confused about what Red Racing is. Sometimes I don't explain it fully. Red Racing is actually the name of my shop. I opened this shop and the name Red comes from my uncle's name, who is named Deng. Red Racing sounded a bit plain, so I just went with racing and became a mechanic at Red Racing. Our shop sells automotive accessories including headlights, taillights, original lamps, broken lamps, various bulbs, and air conditioning units. Currently, we also offer oil changes, remote car alarms, and specific model radios. Right now, Android radios are trending, and I have plenty of them in my videos, along with front and rear dash cameras and various small jobs. To be straightforward, that's what we do. Personally, I am quite skilled with electrical systems. If you have any issues, just bring it to me and I'll take a look first. I've been a mechanic since the shop opened, which should be about 7 years now, and I'm entering my 8th year. At first I wanted to be in the spotlight, but I couldn't think of what to do. My younger colleagues suggested that I make videos teaching people how to work on cars. I thought that if I did that, people would just take my work away. But then I realized it's better to share knowledge, because everyone's skills are different. For example, my skills as a mechanic are decent, and while it's not too difficult for me, some people just can't do it. They can use my videos as a guideline, and if they have any questions, they can reach out to me. I answer calls every day, like, how do I connect this radio? Or, how do I do that? I'm happy to respond and help them complete their installations as they need. The shop is right here. It's called Na Frau if you're coming from Sukhumvit Road. Let's start from Robinson. From Assumption College, Sriracha, go straight until you reach a 3-way intersection, then take the left. Continue straight until you reach a 6-lane road. Keep going until you encounter an S-curve. After you pass the S-curve, my shop will be on the right. Please pay attention because it's a busy road with fast-moving traffic, so slow down. If you're coming from J Park, drive straight until you reach Big C. The first Big C will be on your left. After that, you'll see a yellow building at the corner, and there will be a large toy store with colourful displays. My shop is just a couple of doors down from there. It's slightly set back, but has a flashing light, so you can spot the flashing light. So, please follow my YouTube channel, Nut Racing Channel. We do a variety of things here, mostly focusing on front-end work, but we also go out occasionally. If anyone is interested, feel free to contact me. I'm the mechanic. And my phone number is 06445222945. Also, you can reach out to P. Deng, the owner of the shop, at 0926742456. Don't hesitate to call if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.